The director of the Bono East Regional Health Directorate, Dr. Frederick Adomako-Boateng, has revealed to Citi News that the Bono East region is currently recording very troubling number of COVID-19 cases during the Yuletide. According to Dr. Adomako-Boateng, the number of active cases being recorded double every other day.
And consistently, our figures had stood around 2,559. In fact, 2,558 consistently. In some weeks in November and early part of December, we were recording 004 almost all the time. But recently, on the 21st, where we had 2,559 cases, the next day we had 2 new cases. Then the next day, which was the 22nd, we had extra 9 new cases. And as of yesterday, we had 25 new cases. So you can see the geometric progression of what we are having, more than doubling the cases. And if we are not careful and we follow on this tangent, we know the doubling rate almost every 2 days. In fact, every 1.5 day, there is a doubling of the numbers.
Currently, the Bono East district is leading with active COVID-19 cases in the Bono East region. According to Dr. Adomako-Boateng, parts of the region with direct routes to Greater Accra and Kumasi often record increases in infections.
We have to be careful within this period. Other than that, we are going to get more cases than we have gotten so far, especially if you see how transmissible this surge is. It's doubling about every 2 days or 1.5 days. So you can imagine. So if we were talking about initially, you remember 2020, the whole year, Bono East, we got 788. Bono East, the whole 2021, in August alone, August 1 month, we got 710 cases, 1 month. So looking at what the figures that we are seeing, if we are not careful, and this spread more than, let's say, in the order of 3, let's even give it a order of 3, you can get 2,000 cases in a month.
To ensure that the sharp increases in COVID-19 cases is curtailed, the Bono East Regional Minister, Kwesi Edujan, says the security agencies will strictly enforce the wearing of nose masks in public places, among other measures.
We recommend checking of temperatures at all entries. No mask, no entry, and continuous use of mask in all public places. Let's return to our hand hygiene practices, either with soap and running water and sanitizers. I said it here some time ago, and I will reiterate it, that COVID is a security issue. And in the Bono East region, RECSEC takes that task seriously. At funerals, public events, the organizers will be held responsible for such breaches. And in transport, especially commercial vehicles, the drivers will be held liable. Our law enforcement officers, MTTD, and the police will make sure that this is complied with to the latter. We will adopt pragmatic means to enhance adherence.
Dr. Frederick Adomako-Boateng warns that should residents continue to disregard the COVID-19 safety protocols, especially during the Christmas season, the region could see a 4th wave of infections, worse than previous ones.
As at 21st November 2021, though Greater Accra region had more than 70,000 cumulative cases, the case fatality rate of Greater Accra was less than 1. Specifically, it was 0.4. Look at the case fatality rate for Ashanti, which was also clocking around 20,000 and over. It was not up to 2. But look at the case fatality rate of Bono East region. We are having a case fatality rate of 2.5, which is about 4 times the case fatality, or about 6 times the case fatality rate of Greater Accra. The indication is that if you are not careful and you are in Bono East and you get a severe or critical form of COVID-19, you are likely about 6 times to die. You see the inequity in the fight against COVID and where we are now. And therefore, it speaks about the need for us as a region to really fight aggressively to prevent people from having the disease.
Reporting from the Bono East Regional Health Directorate in Kintampo, I am Michael Chachua Holu for Citi News.